the size of the batik.
Perfect.
Okay, batik is especially is not from Bali. Batik is from Java,
Okay.
Java Island. Beeswax, and this the tool
Ah, yeah.
we call chanting, and then scoop, and then follow the line. Okay, and now you can choose the design. You can go over there.
Okay, so we've picked our designs and now we start the process. Mine's a traditional Balinese Hello Kitty. She's making progress. Once you get a groove on it,
Yeah.
you've got more lob on it.
And after finish,
Lots of little details on there. Right, so now we just dry them in the sun for a bit. Getting ready now to do the boil off, get rid of the wax, and we'll have some traditional Batik Hello Kitty into the boiling water. Yes.
Seriously.
Cheese.
Oh wow.
That is awesome.
nice.
I'm happy.
Right, so that was our Batik experience at Five Art Studio. Five Art Studio here in Ubud. They also do wood carving and fine line drawing as well. Highly recommend it, guys. We might go back and do one of those other two, or maybe make another thing like this. I'm wrapped with that Franken-Kitty Batik style. Right, so that's it for this video. We've got another couple of Bali ones coming up. I'm sure we've shot a bit of footage. Until then, get a little joy in your life. We all need it, and we will catch you on the flippity floppity.